This segment sponsored by Deizshel Setzer, the mortgage queen.
Refinancing is a term that we hear everywhere, but what does it actually mean when it comes to our homes? Here to explain the process and more is none other than the mortgage queen herself. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
It's always a pleasure to have you. So tell us, is it okay to refinance considering when we're looking at our mortgage?
Okay, refinance is utilizing the equity that you have in your house.
Okay.
Whenever you buy a house, if you're in the right neighborhood, it's going to increase in value on a monthly basis.
Okay.
So if you bought a house, let's say you bought it 6 months ago, and you paid $200,000 for it. Today, if you're bought in the right neighborhood, it should be worth $210 or $215.
Okay.
6 months later.
Wow.
That's why it's so strategic in finding the right property, because you want to be in a growing neighborhood. So that extra money is money that you can get at the lowest possible rate out there. When you walk into a bank, when you walk into a credit union, or even when you go to put things on your credit card, the interest rates on a personal loan may be 17%, 18, 19.
Right.
On credit cards, they're 24, 25, 26, 30%. If you need the money, and it doesn't matter what you need the money for, let's just be perfectly clear.
Right, whatever you want to use your money for, you need the money.
If you need the money for sending your kids to college, for doing home repairs, for doing some simple remodeling, to start your business.
Right.
Or just to, how about a dream vacation?
Right. This sounds great to me. How do we get, what are the process? What are the steps?
Okay. So when you talk about reading, so again, you got it, the house. You have to owe the bank less than what the property is worth.
Okay.
That's the number one.
Number one, got it.
Number two is you must have made at least 6 monthly mortgage payments. Not a year, not 2 years. That's what happens. We get too comfortable.
Right, yeah.
6 months, every 6 months, you should be looking at how you can benefit yourself by using your own money. Because let me just point out here, right now, interest rates for anybody with a 640 credit score is 2.75%.
Wow.
Let me say it to you guys. You guys really need to be calling me. Interest rates, as long as your credit score is 640 or above, is 2.75%. So instead of you going to Lowe's, using your charge card, getting it from your credit union, you need to extract that money from your house. Where can you get money from at 2.75%?
Exactly. So we'll come to you, figure out how to use our home that we already own.
Yes.
And get that percentage rate and get the money we need for the projects we're looking for.
Exactly, exactly.
What about potential home buyers? What are they looking at?
Well, you know what? The rate is the rate. It's 2.75 right now.
Okay.
So let me tell you the biggest advantage right now is that now they have increased the amount of money you're allowed per county.
Okay.
So we were tapped off at 729 when that tap has been gone. So especially, I got to get this out there, especially for veterans. Veterans had that 36% of their certificate requirement.
Right.
Anything that went beyond the 729 range, they would have to put down additional money.
Yeah.
That's gone.
Right.
You could go literally buy $1 million house and still get 2.75%.
About this elite program.
Okay. I can't, again, everything is. When you think about a 640 or above credit score, the elite programs gives you some things that you're just not going to find any place other than dealing with me. And I can't say it enough. I am a broker. And the advantage that gives everybody is I have 100 different lenders. My credit report that's going to provide me the best possible mortgage that you can have right now. Because it's about right now.
Exactly.
So that elite program, you have the appraisal waiver. You could buy a house and literally not pay for an appraisal.
So you are changing people's lives. Tell me a little bit about what your customers see and their reaction to what you can do for them.
Well, all my customers are happy because I am a genuine person. I will tell you the truth even when you don't want to hear it. Let me give you a prime example of that.
Well, we actually have a letter from one of them, and it says, and this is a wonderful letter. It speaks to your praises. But what sticks out to me, it says, "Now I can go ahead and schedule my knee replacement surgery. Many, many thanks. God bless you." You're changing people's lives.
Yes, yes. Some people are just in it. You cannot. I tell people, if you can't get your mortgage was. He didn't do you service.
Right.
Because in order for you to have repeat business, you have to do beyond the ordinary. You have to let people know that you're looking at that whole financial picture and not just for right now.
It's like a doctor looking at the whole body and not just one problem.
Not just one part. I want to buy a house.
Tell our listeners where they can find you and get your information.
Sure. You can find me on Facebook. There's only one of me in the world.
That's wonderful. And makes it easy.
It makes it easy. So you can either go to mymortgagequeen.com. Just look at Facebook, My Mortgage Queen. Of course, Deizshel, Setzer. You can email me at mymortgagequeen1.com. I do have a website.
There you go. And the website is on our screen. Thank you so much. We love having you here.
Thank you so much.
Stay with us.